Good morning, YouTube. What's going down today? We're doing a Wilwood conversion, disc brake conversion. Wife's F100. About ready to start running some studs in the wheel. Got my impact on. I got it on low. I ain't gonna torque them too tight because I don't mess up nothing, but that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Right here now. That's it. I don't want to come off. I don't like these freaking sockets. Then I have to switch to a different socket. But anyway. The reason I'm putting these in first is because I'm taking his wheel off. Gotta make sure. I know I got it in the 5x5 pattern, but just want to make sure I definitely have the correct caliber. Make sure it's gonna fit on my beam, my bore. It's specifically for this truck, so we'll see. Anyway, already Jake, and we'll get back to you in a minute. All right, y'all, I'm back. Look, y'all, got the wheel off. Let me show y'all something. I know people say I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get out from under here, but it ain't always the case. Look, always put jack stands under your car. If anything else, you don't owe it to anybody, you owe it to your family, because they don't need to find you smashed underneath the car. Me as a young man, I watched my brother car fall partially on my brother, and luckily he was at a spot under the car where the total weight didn't get on him. It got on him enough where he couldn't get out, and I had to help him out. So always jack stands under your car, and you jack as a secondary. I'm about ready to let the pressure down on the stands, and then I'm gonna put leave the jack where it's at as a secondary. And something else I gotta do, I'm gonna show y'all. Always scotch the wheel. And I made me a scotch out of an old U-boat. Check that out. Just want to do something different. But check that out. Check it out. Keep it from rolling backwards. So we're gonna get at it. I'll try to get this side pulled off, and we'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all, I'm back. I want to show y'all this part right here. I started taking this brake line off. And the reason I want to show y'all this is wear gloves, because brake fluid is very toxic. It can mess you up. I mean, it's toxic. People don't A lot of people don't realize how toxic brake fluid is. It is toxic, dude. It can mess you up. So just make sure you got gloves on when you're fooling with it. If you get it on your hands, go wash it off quick. I'm letting it drain in this old tote right here, cause I'll get it all up and absorb it all up, and I'll take the rags and I'll get rid of the rags at my buddy's shop. Just don't want nobody to get sick from brake fluid, cause it will make you sick. I mean, it will. Especially me. I don't have an immune system. So let me get this off my gloves before I touch something. Be right back, y'all. I don't want to touch my phone with it. But yeah, I just took all that off. I need to get that clip off. And I'm gonna get that clip off. I'm gonna drain that line in that tote right there. And then I'm gonna get started on this assembly. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, y'all, we got the bracket on the spindle. Now we're gonna try to get them tightened up. I ain't tightened them, just got them sitting there. And Stan, we're gonna get you to stand by. I started back. All right, we're back. Now we're gonna get them tightened up. Yeah. I don't know how good it's gonna tighten, but. Put the wrench on this side so I can hold it. I'm at 9/16. So I can run it in. That's 5/8. Good day. Where's my 9/16 fit? Back there. That's crazy. One size 5/8, that's size 9/16. Which is 11/16. 11/16. That's all right. We'll get it in a minute. Hell, it ain't even 11/16. It's 3/4. I got it right here. That ain't good. Put that there going. I'm gonna have to put the Mac down on it. All right. Got the Mac Daddy right here, y'all. Need something done? Don't mess around with small change. Get the Mac Daddy. That's the Mac Daddy. Him back. So, got this open. I said seal, I'm sorry. It's not seal. This is base your bearings. There's seals. 2 seals in this wheel. There's your nut. There's your ring. Let me make sure this damn ring fits my spindle. Yep. Ring fits. Make sure the nut fits. Ooh. That nut don't want to go on there. Might be using my other nut, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. But anyway, here's your bearings. So let's see if this bag's big enough to do it. Yeah, this bag's big enough to do it. I'm gonna go put some grease in this bag, and I'll be right back. Actually, I'm gonna get a different bag. I'm gonna use this bag right here. Be right back. Yo, I'm not afraid of grease. I just gotta stay safe because I got a immune situation that I have to take care of. So I just choose to be proactive. Put that grease down that bag right there, like that. That might be enough for those 2. I gotta do 4 anyway, so stick that down in there right there. Set my grease right there. I got a little bit on the outside of the bag, but it's gonna be all right. Let me see if I can get the rest of it off the stick. All right, throw that in my box. Now, I'm gonna drop this little seal right there. Wait a minute. Which one? I'm gonna do that last. Where's my wheel at? I'm gonna get my directions. Well, I'm gonna unpack this bearing first. I'll drop it in there, y'all. This is the way you do it. Put it in there. Squeeze that all in that bearing like that. It'll go in there. You'll get it all in there. Run it all in it. Like that right there. Same way. This way it just saves you don't get grease all over your hands and contaminate your wheel, all that. But you could do it the other way. I have done it. Actually, I've done the old ones just coming out. They came out here that way, the old school way. But I gotta be a little bit cautious while I'm doing this. All right. Yeah. Got a hole in my bag. That's all right. All right. Now I gotta see how these seals go in. They're putting on in no Wilwood, so gotta make sure I put them in here right, y'all. I ain't got no extra. It don't even give you a diagram of how to go in it. Ain't that so? But we know how to go. That little lip right there always go to the inside. Flat side always go to the out. But why they give me two different colors? Wheel ain't supposed to ain't gonna have two seals in the back. Cause that doesn't definitely won't go in the front. We'll stand by. We'll get it here in a minute. So understand what they're saying. It's for two different applications. So I'm guessing the green one goes into mine because it's the only one that had. It says 9. It says use 9A, but this is the only one that has A on it. But the other thing says use A. Okay, y'all. So on Wilwoods, their brake pad slides on these little rods. I guess it keeps them in there and straight. So you got to take them rods out and then put them back in so the brakes will stay in there. The pads will stay in there. We're going to do that right now. Got this little tool right here. I'm going to take clips out with it. Yeah, man. It's been a job. I didn't think it was going to be this like this, but you know, you never did them before. You have to deal with the situation. So these ain't gonna work. I need my other ones. Use some needle nose. Maybe I can get them out with them. Some tiny needle nose. Yep. Yeah. Got them out. And they give you extra ones, I guess, because people must lose them. But hopefully I don't need no extras. I can put them ones back in here. So I can slide that up. Get them pads in there. Alright, I got that now. Let's take this one out. There you go. Now, let's see if I can get it. The hell? Uh-oh. That ain't good. Slide them down in there like that. Slide down in there, y'all. Come on. There you go. Drop it in there. Drop it in there, y'all. Take that. These ones go. Put them back down in there. Just like money. Uh-oh. Let's see why they give you a few extra. They lives end up across town somewhere. We gonna get it though. Well, first of all, put the pin in there so they don't slide out like that one just did. Just like that. Now I just let it slide down. This shit should go back in there sliding. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna do right here, y'all. I'm gonna put that down on the table so I can hold it with one hand and hold these clamps with the other and get it in there. Well, she don't want to go. But I got news for her. She got to go. She got to go. There to go. There it is. There that is anyway. In like fleeing. Yes, sir. That one's in like flame. Let's put this other in like flame. So you want your coffee? Well, you want your coffee?
Yeah, are you videoing?
I'll go get it in a second. As soon as I get this caliber on. As soon as I get this caliber on, I'll go get them.
Okay.
That woman loves coffee, y'all. She gotta have her coffee. Like her daddy. Her daddy loves coffee. Love coffee. He drink coffee all day long. Summertime, wintertime, it don't matter. As long as he got coffee. So, gotta go get her and Mama coffee. Her and Mama. Mama is her mom. We call her Mama. So, yeah. This little thing got grooves down in here. What that thing pops into. Just want to make sure I got it in the groove. I don't want to fly out on me. There it is. Pop right in there. Check it over. Yep. Now, see how them brakes slide on that on them little sleeves right there. I'm gonna grab me a couple of these washers. I'm gonna go under there, and I'm gonna install these things. And that's what it's gonna be. How y'all like that? I need another one. Need another one of them. They're gonna be good. Now, let's get it. Let's see if I can't spin y'all around right here. Y'all see me doing it. I'm gonna stick a what's name in it. Bolt right there in it. So get him up on this. Get him up on him. Come on now. Get up on him. There we go. I'm gonna put the bolt in just to see how much difference. washers. Yeah, I believe we're gonna need. We're gonna need a few washers. Make it center. Bottom ain't gonna be some. Bottom is. Where is that? So, might get one wash in the bottom. Let's try to do that one first. Yeah, got one in it. And I just dropped it. Yeah. Dropped it again. Can't see. Well, so what's crazy, y'all, is